Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. My name's Jeff and today we are working on my 95 Camaro Z28. The first thing we're gonna do today, guys, is remove this rear window molding piece because obviously this one is cooked. It's old, brittle, cracked and broken, and we are gonna take it off. And I haven't been able to find the exact replacement piece that should go on this car. So what I'm gonna do is use this universal edging slash trim and see if it will do the trick. I got this on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It seems to be pretty good quality, and I will put a link in the description below. So let's start taking this old piece off. And it's just really bad, you guys. See all that dirt down in there? That's gross. I had to grab a glove because this old, brittle, broken plastic is kind of sharp. It's on there pretty good. This little piece is hanging on for dear life. Can't quite get it off. Okay guys, I got the whole thing off, and the little channel that goes around the window is absolutely filthy. There's a lot of dirt and grime down in there, and the whole car's dirty, so we're gonna go to the car wash and get it cleaned up. Okay guys, everything is cleaned and prepped. Check it out. I got this channel in pretty good shape, and I think we're ready to install the trim. So my plan of attack is to try and get it done with one piece, and I'm going to start here and go all the way around, and hopefully we can make a clean seam right there. Okay guys, I'm almost done. Check it out. I'm not sure if the juice is worth the squeeze on this one, or if this stuff will last and look good for a while, but we'll give it a try. Almost done. Okay guys, all done. There's the end seam right there. Looks okay. And it's all done. That was a pain. That really sucked. Took a lot of time. You got to use your finger muscles a lot, which sucks when it's cold, but I think it looks okay. I could probably get away with just not having anything on there. I think the other molding was more of a functional piece that was there to catch water. Obviously, because it was broken, it wasn't doing anything, but I think this turned out okay. I'll keep you guys posted on how it stands up to the elements. And if you're gonna do this on your car, you're definitely gonna wanna use these plastic pry tools or body panel tools. These were my weapon of choice as I was doing this, and they helped out a lot. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you think I should have left it as it was? Do you think this looks good and was worth it? I'd be interested to know what your opinion is. So let me know. Again, I'll keep you guys posted on how it holds up. All right, so on to the next thing. In an attempt to spruce up the interior and restore it a little bit, we are gonna install these new window switches. I got these from Eckler's and the whole kit was about $100. And I think this will look really good and make a difference. So let's get going. As you can see, all the images and lettering that should be on the window switches and the door lock switches have rubbed off, so they're just black. And this little panel here, I think some of the clips are broken, so it's not held in place very well. And we got the same thing going on over here on the passenger side. So we'll put these new ones in and see how it looks. All right, so I got this popped out, and I'm going to need 2 hands to unplug the existing switches. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a second and then I'll check back in. Okay guys, I got the old control panel and switches out, and we are ready to plug in this new one. That looks so much better. So to detach these harnesses from the bottom of the switches, I just used the little plastic tool and the screwdriver just to gently pry it away, and it came off pretty easily. And then for the side mirror switch, you have these little tabs on each side, and kind of boogered this old one up a little bit getting it out, but those tabs kind of slip into these little indentations right here. So you got to kind of push the side wall of this cavity out, and it'll release those tabs and you should be able to pull this out. So there you go, just FYI in case any of you are doing this to your 4th gen Camaro. Okay, the new switches are in and they look so much better. Take a look at the before and after. So what I'm gonna do now is start the car and test the switches out and make sure everything's working. Driver's side windows working. Passenger side windows working. Door locks are working. Let's check the mirror. Driver's side mirror is working. Passenger side mirror is working. Boom. Now we got to do this side. Okay guys, before we do the passenger side, there's one thing I need to fix over here, and that is this little guy right here is a light socket for this little accent light right here that illuminates the panel, this control panel, ever so slightly at night. The light on the passenger side is working, but I've noticed that this one is not, so I am going to pull this out. I'll probably have to undo that screw, but I'm going to pull this out and replace the bulb to get that back working again. All right guys, I've got this door handle panel off. There's a screw right here, and then just another screw underneath right here. And here's a look at that little light I was talking about. I'm gonna have to take this out and run to the parts store and get a new bulb. All right guys, I'm back from the store and I've got the new bulb in place. So let's test it out and see if it works. Yes, sir. Okay, I am going to button this up. All right, let's see if I can pry this one out one-handed. There we go. All right, so I got this panel off. It doesn't look too bad on the back. I think all the tabs were there, but I'll go ahead and replace it anyway. Here's a look at the back of the control panel from the driver's side, and as you can see, this little tab down here at the end was broken a little bit, but other than that, I think it was in good shape. But anyway, let's get the new panel and switches on this side installed. All right, this side is pretty much done. I'm gonna start the car again just to make sure that these switches are working. I'm just starting the car because I've had the doors open and I'm sure the battery is drained a little bit. Door lock switch works. switch works. Awesome. Okay, so this is now snapped back into place, and look how much better it's held in as opposed to the other one. And it looks awesome. After replacing these switches, this passenger side window does seem to be going up and down a little bit better, so that's good. All right, you guys, everything's all buttoned up and working good and looking good. I'm really happy with this kit. Not only does it look great, but both windows and power door locks seem to be working a lot better, so that's an added bonus. I will probably replace this side mirror power switch eventually, but it's okay for now. So off camera, I'm going to work on cleaning these door panels up a little bit, making them look a little bit better. But before I let you guys go, I just want to give you a sneak peek at the next Camaro video. I am going to try and start working on the suspension. So we have lower control arms for the rear, as well as some sway bar bushings and sway bar end links. So more to come on the Camaro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like the video, subscribe for me, and I will see you guys in the next one.